ఓకే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఏం రాస్తున్నాం సార్ కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్స్ ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కంప్లీట్గా కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్స్ వస్తుంది కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్స్ ఏం రాశారు చెప్పండి లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ కాస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి కాస్ ఏ కాస్ బి మైనస్ సైన్ ఏ కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మైనస్ బి cos A cos B plus sin A sin of A plus B sin A cos B plus cos A sin B sin of A minus B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B ఒకసారి మనం ఏం చేస్తుంటే ఇదే నేర్చుకోవాలి అప్లికేషన్ కూడా నేర్చుకున్నాం రెండు యాడ్ చేసాము గుర్తున్నాను రెండు యాడ్ చేసాము ఏం రాస్తాం చెప్పండి నాకు కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మైనస్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 2 కాస్ ఏ కాస్ బి అని కూడా రాసాను గుర్తుందండి ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఈ యాంగిల్ నేను కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్ నేను సింగిల్ యాంగిల్గా తీసుకుంటాను ఐ కన్వర్ట్ దిస్ కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్ టు ఎ సింగిల్ యాంగిల్ సే సి and second compound also I take it as D. I transform A plus B to C and A minus B to D. So left hand side becomes cos C plus cos D. Right side is 2 cos A cos B. So when we are transforming A plus B to C and A minus B to C, right hand side AB also in terms of C and D you have to write. So when A plus B equal to C and A minus B equal to D, then what is the 2A? By adding C plus D and A equal to C plus D by 2. In place of A we can write C plus D by 2. To get B, subtract. We will get C minus D by 2. So we can write cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin A sin B actually. Minus 2 sin A sin B. When you transform to A plus B to C and A minus B to D, result is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 and sin C minus D by 2. Is it not? We put a heading transformations. Transformations. Subheading transformations. We are transforming a compound angle into single angle. Similarly, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is 2 sin A cos B. So sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin A means C plus D by 2 into cos B means C minus D by 2. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A means C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. Right now, these four are only the four formulas of transformations. That's all. Multiple of angles. Multiple of angles. Multiple of angles means when we multiply with a a number to the angles 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, 100a, 20, 20a. So now trigonometric ratios for the compound, for the multiple angles. Sin of 2a, sin of 3a, sin of 100a. Okay. So in place of b, also if I write a, what do you get, sir? Cos 2a. Left hand side is cos 2a. Right hand side also in place of b, you write a. Cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a. It is cos square a minus sin square a. So we can write sin cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This is cos 2a. This cos 2a we can write only in terms of cosine. Convert this sin square also in terms of cosine by identity. That is cos square a as it is minus 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a, already one more cos square a, 2 cos square a minus 1. Or only in terms of sin square we also can write by converting cos square a to sin square. Alright, 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a becomes 1 minus 2 sin square. I write the formulas. First one is cos 2a, sin 2a, sin 2a, or sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Or 2 cos square theta minus 1. Similarly, what about tan 2 theta, sir? Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. After simplification, we will get 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. For the other remaining 3 reciprocals of these 3, need not write down. For the remaining 3 reciprocals of this, you can write. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, is it not? I take minus 2 sin square theta left side, cos 2 theta right side. 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Or sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Similarly, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Minus 1 left side. 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. And cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So write the formula. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Yes.
Transformation of cos a minus cos b is equal to 2 sin a sin
Yes, sir.
minus a sir, plus sir.
I take C as first a plus b. C as a plus b. Okay. Right. But I given cos a minus b minus a. Because every time start with a minus b. So our origin is cos a minus b. Entire all these formulas are started from cos a minus b by vector method. Did you remember, sir? So that's why I started with cos a minus b. Similarly, what about tan square theta, sir? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta, is it not? Sin by cos. Make it cos. Complete आएगा tan square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. I will take half of theta when submultiple. Half of theta in place of theta, I will take to half. When theta comes to theta by 2, then 2 theta comes to theta. Half of 2 theta. So sin square theta by 2 is what, sir? 1 minus. That's how we convert is a formula, new formula. By junior IIT girls. Sin square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. Submultiple form. Similarly, tell me what about cos square theta by 2? 1 plus cos theta by 2. Tan square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That's all. These are submultiple of angles. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta. If you want only purely in terms of sin theta, 2 sin theta into root of 1 minus sin square. Depends upon sin is only is given, you can write. I multiply and divide with secant square theta. What happens? 2 sin theta cos theta into secant square theta by secant square theta. What is cos theta into secant theta? 1. But secant square is there, so 1 more secant is left. So 2 sin theta into secant theta by, I like secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. You know that. Numerator also I will write in terms of tan. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Sin theta into 1 by cos theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta in terms of tan. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square, sir, not 1 plus. Remember, see that. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Obligations. Note. These are all obligations. Sin 2 theta in terms of tan. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. I'll write cos 2 theta also in terms of tan. cos 2 theta also in terms of tan. What is cos 2 theta? Cos square theta. Here also multiply and divide with secant square theta. Secant square theta. Secant square theta into right side value by secant square theta. Multiply secant square into cos square becomes 1 minus secant square means 1 by cos square. Sin square into 1 by cos square is tan square theta. Very good. By secant square theta we can write 1 plus tan square theta. So cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. If you take tan 2 theta also sin by cos 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, which is already we have. అంతే కదండి. Sin 2 theta in terms of tan, cos 2 theta in terms of tan. See that cos 2 theta formula in terms of sin we have, in terms of cos we have, in terms of tan we have. Cos 2 theta, very important formula. Coming to again compound angles. Tan of A plus B. Tan A plus tan B. 1 minus tan A tan. Very good. So in place of A, I will take pi by 4. In place of B, theta this one. And tan pi by 4 plus theta. Tan pi by 4 plus theta. What happens? Apply A equal to pi by 4, B equal to theta. Tan, what is tan pi by 4 value? 1, very good, fine. Plus tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. 1 into tan theta. Tan pi by 4 plus theta equal to 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Any more else? Million type. Write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. What happened? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Take LCM cos theta and tan theta. What do you get, sir? Cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus. So we can also write cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. మీకు ఒక ప్రాబ్లం అసైన్మెంట్ లో ఇచ్చాను సార్, మీకు గుర్తుందో రావట్లేదు. cos 12 degrees plus sin 12 by cos 12 minus sin 12 ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చాను. ఉందా? గుర్తుందా అండి? అసైన్మెంట్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఆర్ బిఫోర్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్? అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఎక్కడ చేస్తున్నారు? రఫ్ బుక్ ఉందా? అది ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందా? ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉంటుందా? అడిగితే చూపించగలుగుతారు. రైట్, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం. రైట్, కాస్ tan pi by 4 plus theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Tan pi by 4 plus theta is. Suppose I write pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 plus theta. This is all alpha. Tan 90 minus alpha. cot alpha, isn't it? Cot alpha means cot of pi by 4, but pi by 4 plus substitute pi by 2 minus pi by 4. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 minus theta. Then the reciprocal of tan pi by 4 minus theta is cot pi by 4 plus theta. Cot pi by 4 plus theta means reciprocal of tan pi by 4 plus theta. What is tan pi by 4 plus theta? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. The cot of this is 1 minus tan theta by. So tan pi by 4 minus theta is what? Tan pi by 4 minus theta equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Also can be written as cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. It is equivalent to cot pi by 4 plus theta. And the first one is also equivalent to cot pi by 4 minus theta. Right, you can complete it. Any doubts, sir? If a plus b equal to 45 degrees or 130 degrees. Tan a plus b, very first one. A plus b equal to 45. Then tan a plus b is tan 45. A plus b is 45. Tan of a plus b is tan 45. By definition of tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b equal to 1. Take the right hand. Tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus. I will take this negative term left hand side. Tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b equal to. Add 1 both sides. Add 1 both sides. 1 plus tan a plus, from second and third terms take tan b common. 1 plus tan a. I am adding 1 now, so right hand side becomes 2. Right hand side becomes 2. So I can write as 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to. So if a plus b equal to 45, 135 కూడా అవుతుంది సార్, ఇలా చెక్ చేస్తాం. Then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to. Like a fast. What is it?